Hi, good evening, folks. It is 20 to 10 on the 17th of February. I'm just going to run through some daily charts here to see what I can see tonight. Start off with this pound chief. We did actually get a nice bounce from this 808 level I was mentioning earlier on in the week. Just didn't really get any sort of signals that I kind of liked to get involved here, so I'm not really involved here at all. Again, this level here, I was talking about removing this level to the close today, but we've not really made a sort of a clear break above this level, and we're probably going to close just basically around that level. So I'm not really going to be interested in getting involved here at the moment. I'll possibly look in the future towards a breakout of these highs here, possibly maybe taking some long positions. Um, could possibly look here at this bearish thrust level here. The market's failed here quite a few times, so I think if we remove this level to the close now, I think I would definitely look to buy a retest of this level. It looks like quite a good level there, next to the TDST resistance as well, quite close there. So yeah, that's the plan for now. So not much really going on. Um, okay, Euro Pound now. It's looking like it's going to close back below this sort of triple thrust level here. So that's looking quite good. Hopefully it's going to head lower for my target here at 84. Um, if we look at the GB Chief, they're basically the sort of opposite each other. So if both of them are taken out sort of key levels, more so in the Euro Pound, we can see that it's more of a key level that's going to be removed. So it could sort of kick off things tomorrow, and we could head higher up to challenge this 1.7 basically level that the pound chief really needs to remove to a close if it wants to head up to this 1.7718 level. So yeah, nothing doing on either of these two pairs currently. I'm just waiting here. Aussie dollar, again, nothing doing here. I'm waiting for the removal of a bullish thrust low. So currently that's this level here, which is the 88.75. Looking for a removal of that level before I get involved here. Um, yeah, even if we make more bullish thrusts, I'll keep moving this line up and just use that as an entry, as a sort of preferred selling level if it's removed to the close. Euro yen, again for me, there's not been for quite some time now. Same with the euro US dollar. Looks like we're going to maybe start to go lower, so next target in sight is the 1.2718 level. Again, we could possibly use the low of this bullish thrust as a selling level once removed to a close, but we're not really going to be removing it with any sort of conviction, so I wouldn't really look to be trading that. Pound yen, let's see. Yeah, we did actually sort of fail at this level. I was looking for a 143.54, but because the US dollar yen is having some late strength here today, it's keeping it up. It's going to be a bullish thrust bar, so it's two bullish thrust bars in a row. So again, I can trail these bullish thrusts up and sell a retest of the levels once they're removed to a close. But hopefully this is sort of going to cap the market. This level we got, I think it was 71 pips today, and the rest is break even. Just sort of waiting. I think I'll go for it as like a 132 target. It's from the weekly charts. I'll go over them at the weekend. So the US dollar yen is sort of causing a few problems here. It's gone a bit higher than I was expecting. Certainly if we remove this 91.51 level, then this upper bat's probably going to be removed, which turns out look back to being bullish. Wouldn't really be expecting that, but it looks like it could be on the cards now. So again, I'm just sidelined here. I'll just wait to see what happens here. The Bank of Japan actually have their meeting sometime tonight, so I'm hoping in the case of the pound yen trade that we've got that it stays at least sort of below, this level, somewhere around here before the meeting, and hopefully we get something that goes in our favour. If not and it shoots up, then fair play, we just change the strategy and wait. But it'd be nice to see it head lower from here. Pound dollar starting to move lower again, but we saw a similar sort of day here, so we could be a similar play here. I was looking for it to get up to the 1.5829 level. We got up to the 813, so a little bit shy of that level, but this could cap it now. We could quite easily start to go lower. But I don't see nothing really here. Because this is the bullish thrust that actually followed the 9 count, it could possibly provide some good resistance once it's removed to a close, 1.5628 level. So maybe keep an eye on that one. But again, with this count being the way it is, we'd expect to see a new low made before we get a proper sort of bounce from here. You can see here this 9 was the low of the sequence, so we had a proper bounce from there, but you'd expect to see the price go down a bit more before we get a bounce here. US dollar, Swiss franc, still respected this level. We were looking at it last night. We basically bounced off it today. 648 was the low. This candle 648 was the low there, so 652 the low, so it respected this level, but I didn't really have any sort of desire to get involved there today. If this had been going on at a lower level, then possibly, but we're close to this first target, so I would just leave that. US dollar CAD again, I feel a bit sort of gutted about this one because I picked out this double thrust level when we were up here and I was waiting for it. It came, the signals weren't just too good, but there was a signal this morning again on a 5 minute, 14 pips risk to go long. We could see a bounce from here, but the option after that is to buy a bounce to this level once it's removed to the close. So the opportunity is not lost. There's still plenty of room for a move higher here. Yeah, so that's everything covered. I'll go over all the charts again in the morning and see where we stand at that point. Okay, good night.